Want to add voiceovers, sound effects, or other audio to your videos? Clipchamp makes it easy to import audio and place it directly on your timeline. In this guide, I'll show you how to add audio in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and create a new project or open an existing one. Import your video and place it on the timeline. Then locate the audio or media import options. Select Import Media and browse to the audio file you want to use. Choose your file and wait for Clipchamp to add it to the media library. You can import supported audio files such as music, voice recordings, or sound effects. Once your audio appears in the media library, drag it onto the timeline below your video. You can move the audio track left or right to control exactly when it starts playing. If the audio is longer than your project, select the track and trim it by dragging either edge. You can also use Split to divide the audio and remove sections you don't need. Yeah, this makes it easier to match your audio with the video. Next, adjust the audio volume using the available audio controls. If you're adding background music behind a voiceover, lower the music so the narration stays clear. For sound effects, adjust the level so they aren't too loud. Now play the project from the beginning and listen carefully. Check the timing, volume, and synchronization between the audio and video. Make any adjustments needed before exporting. When everything sounds right, select Export, choose your preferred video quality, and let Clipchamp process the project. Your final video will include the audio you added. And that's how to add audio in Clipchamp in 2026. Import your audio, place it on the timeline, edit the track, adjust the volume, preview your project, and export the final video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.